everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you ever feel that hobbies take a backseat when life gets busy? Actually, you are not alone. In this video, we will discuss how to make time for hobbies when life gets hectic. First thing first, why hobbies matter so much? It is not just a fun way to spend your time, it is essential for your mental health and overall well-being. They allow you to express yourself, relieve stress, and also allows you to connect with others with whom you share same interest. So, it is not just a luxury, it is a necessity. Step 1 in making time for hobbies is to identify what you truly enjoy. Make a list of hobbies and activities which you want to do. Then prioritize these activities and hobbies. Once you have prioritized these hobbies, then you will know where you want to invest your time. Next, it's time to take a close look at your current schedule. Grab a calendar and identify the blocks of time that you can adjust or repurpose. Also identify the activities that you can cut down or eliminate. This will free up the time for your hobbies. Once you have identified the free time, it is very important to treat your hobby like you treat your appointments. Block the specific times in your calendar dedicated to your hobby. Whether you have planned it for weekends or weekday doesn't matter. Schedule it. This commitment will help you to prioritize your passion. If you are feeling overwhelmed, start small. Don't try to dedicate whole day for your hobby. Start with 15 to 30 minutes twice or thrice a week, and then gradually increase the time. Another great way to make time for your hobbies is you can combine your hobbies with your daily activity. If you love drawing, you can do sketching while you are having your coffee. You can stack your hobby with your daily activity. In this way, you will make time for your hobbies without feeling overwhelmed. To make time for your hobbies, you might need to set your boundaries. Learn to say no to the commitment or activities which doesn't align with your priorities. It is not about finding hours in your day. It is about creating life moments that bring you joy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another video.